Welcome to 9 Mile. Drive carefully. Where I'm sitting right now is on Bob Marley's Rock. This is right outside his yard here, people, yeah? You understand? Good vibes. Yeah, Lisa go see. Yeah. Natural, not true? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so you said go see a Bob Marley bed. This is Bob Marley's bed. So behind this gate now, only pictures, no video. So if you've never ever been to the Bob Marley Museum, we're here.
Those people go 6 feet down in the earth. Bob and his mom 6 feet above. So they still flying, yeah?
See in window there, Bob Marley's seen the lush green, you understand, nature of Sentans.
Up there so late to rest. Up there we're going for the tour. So album for Bob Marley, Iron Like a Lion.
It's got a big Bob Marley picture there. Yes. Not far. We're here, and thank you for being here with me, and share the love, share the vibration, you understand the car. Rastafari place, you know. So everybody big up yourself. So we're on a journey today, and today we're going to check Bob Marley, you understand? Yeah man, big up yourself man. We just stopped on a quick little pit stop on the roadside, you understand? We've been driving for quite some time now. We just took a little break. But before we get there, I thought I'll just big up everybody. One love to each and every one of you that's on the journey. You understand? Ringo Vision and Marley'S go see them on the roadside, you know. Yeah man, a good vibes man. Eh, not true go see?
Yeah man, a good look man.
A good look man.
Wonderful look man.
Wonderful look.
Yes man, wonderful look.
Alright, so I go check Bob today and see where I deal with, you know? Yeah man, I check Bob man and see where Bob I deal with. A good vibes. Alright. So everyone knows this legendary album cover. Yeah. Good man. Man, I'm using Jill, man. Yes, people are getting closer and closer down into the Bob Marley zone where we're going now. So good vibes, pick up yourself, but that's on the journey. You understand? That is it. Yeah man, so we soon reach. Where Bob Marley's region is here is based in St. Anne's. You understand? Oh, the boy don't tap out this or so. Road so tight man, so the man hooch up himself same way he pass. Alright, yeah, good people, you know that when you're in Jamaica, yeah, drive carefully on the road, please, yeah. We're just taking our time, we're not in no rush, no haste, you understand? Yeah man, we're gonna get there, and we're gonna get there in one piece, you understand? And safety. Safety? Yeah man, safety first. Boy, the word couldn't come out my mouth there for a minute. You spin around the camera, make you see what I'm going. Aye, man, go see the ass up on the road, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Bob Marley Primary and Junior School, this one here is, you know. Yeah, that's Bob Marley Primary and Junior School people, yeah. Alright, yeah, man, so we're in the 9 Mile bush, in the center, no, not even 9 Mile, we're in a St. Anne's bush. Yeah, St. Anne's bush, them, yeah. Yeah, man, so good vibes, but the goat them pants, because it's slow down, the go see them catch the goat up on the hill. Yeah. You see that? Yeah, so some goat over here, so same way too. Aye, a good vibes. Yeah man, we're on the road people. You see this trip here and this journey here is to go back to the essence and the roots of part of Jamaica's heritage and culture. Bob Marley plays a big role, you understand, as a musician, as a, we don't call him like all a philosopher as well, Gussie. Yeah, man. So, upon them vibration, the people here, we had to go to Bob Marley's place and go and check him out. So, yeah man, big up yourself. I'm just showing you the scenery and a bit of the journey while we're while we're on our way. You understand? But are good vibes. I had to come out and show you guys. So look, land of legends, people. Yeah. So yeah, man, we're going there. You understand? We can start to see the red, gold, and green colours already. You understand? Yeah. What you mean, man? Come in, must take a picture right here so as well, people. Yeah, good vibes, big up yourself, one love. And spin the camera around so you can see. Yes, so you can see that we're on our journey and we're not far. We're going up the hills, we just jump out the car quickly. As you can see, yeah, down here in the St. Anne's region, yeah, a lot of mountains, a lot of forest, a lot of woodlands. You understand? Yeah, man, our good vibes. So we're back in the vehicle again, everybody. Yeah, man. People, so yeah, man, a good feeling right now, and if you know that we're going up to Bob Marley, you understand? And on the journey, we're seeing the necessary pictures and things relating to Bob Marley. So what we're doing, we're just stopping and we're just showing you. So there's this place right here, and I just want to stop and show you people, yeah, our good vibes. It's got a big Bob Marley picture there. It's got a donkey there. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Red, gold, and blue. Look at that. The donkey's braying for us. Look, if you've never seen a donkey bray before, yeah, you just get to see that right now. The donkey just bray for us, people, yeah. Our good vibes, you understand? Yeah, man. That is it, people, yeah. We're on a mission, no go see. I mean, man, up on a mission with them, no. Aye. Red dirt as well, the soil, this soil here is rich red soil, people, yeah. Alright, yeah, man, we'll go back on the journey, man. Our good vibes. Come in, go see. Do it. Yeah, man. Yeah. People, so yeah, man, a good vibe. We just reached where we're going right now, so yeah, man, make way in it. Let me spin the camera around. Yeah, man, right above Marley 9 Mile with there, you know. So, our good vibes. Cool stop. Right there, so. Yes, people, so yeah, man, we reach up at Bob Marley place up at 9 Mile said where. But what we're doing here quickly here, we're just taking a little tour through the little community, just drive down the street to see what's at the other end. Cause we're not gonna just come here so, and going at the Bob Marley house and don't see the community as well. So spin the camera around, we're just gonna roll through quickly. Our good vibes. Welcome to 9 Mile. Drive carefully. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes. That is it. like I said, we just went to the other side of the road, spin the car around, coming from this end so that I can show you guys not just one view, you understand? So good vibes. So I saw this school here and I just had to show you because it seems like it's like a proper, it's representing the heroes of Jamaica. So let me just spin the camera around again and show you guys as well, you understand? Good vibes. So it's a basic school. It's like a school that I went and helped the schools. You see the videos that I've uploaded with helping the schools in Jamaica. So this is like the same type of school that I would have helped. It's a basic school. As you can see on there, it's written a basic school. So it's for the infants, you understand? And it's got Bob Marley there representing it. And it's got Marcus Garvey and some other, and the rest of the national heroes, Nanny from the Maroon, Norman Manley, Sir Alexandra Bustamante, you understand? Good vibes, people, yeah? That is it. Big up yourself. We're there, man. We're up in a 9 mile. Let's just go down to the house of Bob Marley and just check it out. Good vibes. Yes, so good vibes. So we're in the Bob Marley place right now. So yeah, man, we just have to make a payment and get our tour guide, go through and show you what we see as well, people. But big up yourself. That is it. Okay. So this is a part of the enclosed village. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Haile Selassie and Empress Menin. You understand? Yeah, man, good vibes. Yeah, Lisa go see. Yeah. Natural, not true?
Yeah, man.
Cool, man.
Natural.
Talking from now, there's a bit of Bob Marley music playing, so you know that it's copyrighted, people, yeah, but big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you. You understand? We're just going at the environment right now and get the essence, the history, the vibration, you understand, and the energy said way. So one love to each and every one of you that's watching. That is it. We'll go inside. Good evening. Yeah. Let's see, you have something to drink? Give me a second. Yeah. Yes, people, so. You know, say Bob Marley was a smoker, so you got all the essence of different types of stuff. Smoking ashtrays, pipes, bongs, name it, Rizzlers, all sorts. You understand? Good vibes. You must bring back 1 and 2 local gifts. Do you have weed in there as well? Yeah, man. You have weed in there? We can see weed them we have, please. Yeah, man, good. Okay. I have to look in the looking glass, people, yeah? Alright. Or if you come up a Bob Marley place and you can't get herbs, what do you mean? You must can't get herbs up a Bob Marley place, man. Alright. Big up the legend Bob Marley, you understand? Good vibes. So yeah, man, we're in the place right now. So Let the movements begin. Our good vibes. I'll show you everything what we can show. That is it. Big up yourself, people.
Up there, so Lake Rest. Up there, we're going for the tour. So, album for Bob Marley. Iron like a lion. Delaware in America. Anthony and Bob passed away. Anthony died 9 years after Bob. The both of them laid to rest up top. So Richard and Pearl alive now. Richard, he owned this place. This place don't own by the government. We're gonna go to Mount Zion. Go to watch this thing.
Good vibes, good vibes. There's a piano in here. Yes, people, so inside of the house, you're not supposed to be doing any form of video recording, but you understand the essence, the vibration. How can we not get this opportunity and not take the opportunity, people, yeah? So our good vibes, one love. I hope you guys appreciate everything. We're here in the Bob Marley Museum, 9 Mile. Understand? One love to each and every one of you. Here we've come into, this is where he's got all his music, plaques and gold awards, you understand, people, yeah? So our good vibes, big up yourself. Hope you guys are enjoying the journey so far. That is it. So everyone knows this legendary album cover, and it's got legend on it as well. You understand, Bob Marley and the Wailers. Here we go, our good vibes. Wow. So yeah, man, it's been a good atmosphere, peace and love and one vibration, said way. People them here that work here, they're on a good vibes as well. So yeah, man, we're enjoying the journey so far. I hope you guys are enjoying the journey. Our good vibes. So if you've never ever been to the Bob Marley Museum, we're here. And thank you for being here with me. And share the love, share the vibration. You understand the car? Rastafari place, you know. Yeah, man, no joke thing, but we're in a Rastafari place. Eh? Yeah, I play music. Yeah.
Yo, make chopper big like it. So behind this gate now, only pictures, no video. Only marijuana, no cigarette. Alright, come this way.
Wow, look at the butterflies, everybody.
Oh, you can screw up this place for me, dog.
Look at the butterflies.
Hiding anti-Don Malcolm. Those people go 6 feet down in the earth. Bob and his mom 6 feet above. So they still flying, yeah? So those people from the mother side. Remember I told
Go see. A Bob Marley house, this is where Bob Marley come write in music. Yeah, and do all of works them, some of works them. And write the song Is This Love, yeah man. One love car. A tiny little yard, you know, go see? Yeah. Tiny little yard, go see. Yeah man, so you said go see a Bob Marley bed. This is Bob Marley's bed. The legend's bed. Yeah man. See window there. Bob Marley's seen the lush green You understand? Nature of sentence. Said way. Good vibes. Where I'm sitting right now is on Bob Marley's rock. This is right outside his yard here, people, yeah? You understand? Good vibes. And for the first time ever, you understand? A Bob Marley, Ringo Vision I deal with as well, up in a Bob Marley place. You mean, man? Yeah, man, good vibes, people. Big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you. We're in 9 Mile, yeah? Peace, love, and unity up here, so you understand? Yeah, man, good vibes, man. We've toured through the place. You're not allowed to video record really in certain places. We went and saw Bob's mum. Now we're gonna go into the chapel to go and see Bob, his final resting place where he is right now. You understand? We saw where his grandparents and the others were resting. So good vibes. It's a spiritual journey, and I hope you guys enjoy this journey as well, people. Yeah, one love, big up yourself. I miss it. Good vibes.
One love, peace, cancer.
Yes, people. So we done the tour. There's certain parts of the tour that you can't video record. You can't show. You have to show that. You understand? You can't take a picture. So you see where Bob was laid to rest, where his mum was laid to rest. We couldn't, and his grandkids. We couldn't see any pictures, but it was absolutely amazing, and we got to hear about the history of the whole journey, the whole movement of Bob Marley, where he played his music, where he wrote his songs. Do you understand? Yeah, man. 9 Mile. If you do ever get the opportunity, come down. And it's a very spiritual journey, you understand? So it's a good vibes, everybody. So go see, how you feel about the journey?
Feel good, man. Feel light, you know, myself, you know?
Yeah.
You see what I go on, you know?
The true, man?
Yeah, man, because my area and you don't know.
Yeah.
Not able get the fullness of what I go on, you see me?
Yeah.
Since you come here, Ringo, me get the fullness.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, good vibes.
Good vibes, man.
Good vibes. So yes, people, big up yourself. Until next time. That is it. So we've completed the tour. Thank you very much, everybody. Yeah, and like I said, there's some significant history and artifacts to go and see. Just to go and see Bob Marley's tomb, where he's buried, his mum's tombs, to get the history of his grandparents. It's absolutely amazing. You understand what I'm trying to say, people? Yeah. So if you do ever get the opportunity, do come here. Do come to the Bob Marley Museum. You understand? And show the appreciation of this great legend. Good vibes. Rastafari.
Alright, peace and love.
Yeah, man, peace and love. Yeah, man. Alright. So we're outside, our vehicles parked up outside. Yeah, man. Somewhere else in Jamaica now, people. Yeah, big up yourself. One love. Until next time. Yes, everyone. So we're back in the vehicle now. So our good vibes. Yeah, man, that is it. So yeah, the tour was absolutely amazing. So look out for the next journey that we're going to be on here in Jamaica, people. Yeah, one love. So I just want to show you, everyone, yeah. So the road that you see here, you understand, and how you see the road here as well in these houses. This is what Bob Marley's yard probably would have looked like, and the environment. You understand, natural Jamaican. Sometimes it's a bit dirt road. You understand, just like this, how you see this set up there to go up in the hills, but over time, because they've turned it into a museum, you get a different look. But the natural Jamaican look back in the day, in them times there, would have had all the agriculture around it. You understand, having this natural look. You understand, people, yeah? Yeah, man, so big up yourself. Good vibes. One love, though. Yeah, man. It was a very, very good journey. So I hope you guys enjoy the journey, yeah? Alright, that is it. Look at the sunset in the distance, people. 1 second, let me zoom in there. So you can...
Hi, Mijena.
Sorry.